Fido Mobile Operator Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're diving into a full review of Fido Mobile, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products are added in the description, so check them out for more details. Let's get started. Fido Mobile, a subsidiary of Rogers Communications, is a well-known Canadian mobile carrier offering both prepaid and postpaid plans. One of the standout features of Fido is its affordability. Their plans are often more budget-friendly compared to larger providers like Rogers or Telus, without compromising too much on coverage or service quality. Fido offers a range of options, from basic prepaid plans to unlimited talk and text with generous data allowances. The carrier is great for users who prioritize affordable pricing with flexible terms. Whether you're a light user or someone who streams a lot, Fido provides options that cater to most needs. Fido is also known for its Fido Roam feature, which allows customers to use their plan while traveling in the US and other countries without huge international roaming fees. This is a great feature for frequent travelers. Additionally, their data sharing plans make Fido appealing for families or groups who want to pool their data. Who is Fido for? If you're looking for a reliable, low-cost option that offers solid coverage, Fido could be a good fit. It's perfect for individuals, families, and even businesses looking for value without locking into long-term contracts. However, while the plans are affordable, one of the main weaknesses is network speed and coverage in some areas. While Fido uses the Rogers network, users in rural or remote regions might experience slower speeds or less reliable service compared to larger providers. In conclusion, Fido Mobile offers affordable, flexible plans with good value for customers looking for a low-cost provider with solid coverage and international roaming options. While network speed may be slower in certain regions, the overall package is great for users who want budget-friendly options without compromising too much. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.